Hey, what's going on, Rich? Want to do a quick video for you, show you how to put on a tempered glass screen protector onto your iPhone 8 Plus. This pretty much works for any phone. Carapax by Anchor Glass Guard Tempered Glass Screen Protector 2-pack. Just open up the tab, opens up kind of like a booklet. It comes with 2 glass screen protectors. Each screen protector has its own set of alcohol wipes. Make sure you wash your hands before you do this. Make sure you line it up perfectly where you want it, and then once you have it, wrap it around like a hinge. I was very careful to make sure the sides lined up perfectly with the actual sides of the screen. It's only going to go right up to the edges of the white screen itself. Flip it open like a book. Take your alcohol wipe. Just use the alcohol wipe to wipe down the front of the screen and wipe it down with the microfiber cloth. Peel the backing off like this. And then just fold it over like a book. You want to work your way out from the center out. First, I was getting some air bubbles, so what I did was I took the hinges off the side. See how I have a little bit of a bubble right there? Just peel this one edge up like this, and then what you want to do is just let it fall down like that, and it should fix itself. Just take the microfiber and put it on your finger like this, and just wipe towards the edge. That should fix it. My new iPhone 8 Plus got some really great protection on it, and I'm very happy with it. I'm going to leave a link in the description in case you want to pick one up for yourself. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know if you got any questions or comments in the section down below. Thanks again for watching. Take care.